Today's inquiry is how can we multiply a polynomial by a polynomial? Notice in this parentheses there are two terms connected by addition, so this is a polynomial, also known as a binomial because there are two terms. And here this is also a binomial. So we're going to do the same method as multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, which is distribute. So that's the first step. We're going to distribute both terms to the other parentheses. So x times x times 2. Notice I'm putting the number in front of the x, just keeping it consistent throughout. Coefficients always go in the front. 5 times x, 5 times 2. Next step, multiply the monomials. So x times x is x squared, plus 2 times x is 2x, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 2 is 10. Your final step is to combine like terms. In this case, the like terms are 2x and 5x because they have the same variable raised to the same power. So, your final answer will be x squared plus 2 plus 5 is 7x plus 10. So now stop the video and try the next example on your own. Here you have a multiplication problem where you're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. This is a trinomial because there are 3 monomials attached by addition or subtraction. But you do the same steps. You distribute each monomial to all the monomials inside the second parentheses. So x times x squared plus x times negative 5x times x times 2, but notice I'm going to put the 2 in front of the x to maintain consistency. Negative 6 times x squared. A negative times a negative will make it a positive, but we're going to do that later. Negative 6 times negative 5x. And negative 6 times 2. Now we're going to multiply. X times x to the second, adding the exponents, 1 plus 2. Here, negative 5x squared, 2 times x, 2x, negative 6 times x squared, negative 6x squared. A negative times a negative will make this a positive 30x. And here, negative 12. Now, final steps, combining like terms. There are no like terms with x to the third, so we're just going to rewrite that. Negative 5x squared and minus x squared is the same as negative 11x squared. 2x and 30x are like terms, so 2 plus 30 is plus 32. X and minus 12 is all by itself.
Can you just rewrite that outside that light? Rewrite the answer.